Here are some tips and tricks for printing one label at a time with Avery shipping labels. It's important to use the label that is designed for your type of printer to ensure the best print results. Inkjet labels for inkjet printers and laser labels for laser printers. You can find the printer information on the front of the Avery package. If you are going to be printing one label at a time on Avery shipping labels with 2 labels on a page, you will need to rotate the label sheet and refeed it to use the other label. Printers usually have an icon to show whether your printer will print on the face or the back side of a sheet, so that can be helpful. But to be sure you're rotating the sheet correctly, you can use a sheet of plain paper as a test sheet. Just mark a 1 and a 2 on the label sheet and print the first label to be sure it prints on the side of the sheet with the 1. Then remember how you rotate the sheet and insert it to print again to see if you've rotated it correctly and will be printing in the right place. Refeeding will work best if the edge leading into the printer has a label. Run the sheet through the printer a maximum of 2 times, and if you're using weatherproof or waterproof labels, only print them once. If the program you use won't allow you to print a half-sheet shipping label, there are at least 2 other possible solutions. One option is to use the snipping tool or Grab for Mac to take a screenshot of the label image. You can then copy and paste it or save it as an image and import it into another program like Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or Avery Design and Print Online. Another option is to use the Adobe Creative Cloud tools to manipulate the PDF file to place the label on the top or bottom half of a page. Visit avery.com/help for more information about Avery shipping labels and Avery Design and Print Online, or to contact our care team. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.